Good morning, Innovation Hour class. I hope this screencast sees everybody doing well. I hope you guys are staying healthy and staying sane through this very historic time. I have a couple of quick announcements to start off the screencast. The first one, this will get posted on our classroom. But since the first week of class, I have not had very many students attend our Zoom sessions. And honestly, guys, it's kind of boring to sit around and wait for people just to get on every day. So I have decided to decrease those. They're going to be every Tuesday and Thursday now from 12 to 12:30. And if you guys would like to set up another time with me, other than Tuesdays or Thursdays or outside that 12 to 12:30 time, guys, that is wonderful. I welcome the opportunity to do that. So please just send me an email and let me know how we can, if you have any questions, how we can set up a live meeting for you. So that's the first announcement. The second was, I'm sure you guys are aware at this point of the grading process and what was announced last Friday in the virtual town hall meeting. And that was that grades will only improve from third quarter grades. They cannot go backwards. So many of you have been sending me emails on questions on what can you make up. Guys, this has been posted in our classroom page, but you may, from third quarter, you may make up your project pitch assignment, which was that Powtoon, and you can also make up your annotated bibliography. If you do decide to make up either one of those assignments, please send me an email to let me know that you resubmitted, so that way I will know to check them. Otherwise, I won't know to check them. So just please send me that communication because I would like to help your grade as well. In addition, the assignments that we are doing right now with the 30-day challenge, that will also improve your grade if you're completing those as well. So getting into that, this is our third week for your 30-day challenge. This is blog number 4 for the 30-day challenge, and it is blog number 9 overall that we have done so far this semester. We are still on your Google site, so be sure you're adding it to that Google site. And here's a label, either label it blog 9 or 30-day challenge blog post number 4. Please answer these questions in complete sentences and please be specific with your responses. These are the same exact questions you've been answering the past few weeks. Next week, we'll wrap up your 30-day challenge and I'll have some different questions for you. Okay. The biggest thing that I'm noticing in those responses is you guys are not putting pictures. Either put a picture of yourself doing your challenge, put a picture of your journal or something, however you're keeping track of your challenge, or put a graphic of some sort that you get offline. Just give me a picture of some sort. Each of these parts are worth 2 points, including the picture. Okay, so don't forget to do those things. So if you guys have any questions, I will be on Zoom for you on Tuesdays and Thursdays, 12 to 12:30, or by special appointment, or send me an email. Guys, I hope you all are having a great week. I miss you guys, and just please stay healthy. Bye, guys.